Hey guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will talk about how to create social media icons with amazing background hover effect. As you guys can see on my computer screen, we will create this amazing social media icons background hover effect using only HTML and CSS, and it looks really very amazing. And after watching this video, you can use this effect in your website or in your any project. I will put the link or source code in video description, so you can go and check out. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's get started. So guys, before starting the video, let's discuss about the biggest opportunity for you guys. Yes, IB Arts is storming the internet with the most awaited contest of the month, where they are giving each of you a chance to work with the fastest growing IT solution company right now. And if you can participate in this amazing coding hunt and get position in top 10, then you will get some amazing stuff like a bag, t-shirt, and also some more amazing stuff. Isn't this amazing, guys? Wait, even if you can register in this coding hunt and participate, then you will get certificate, goodies, and internship opportunities, and even you will get a job. Yes, so my friends, please don't wait and register now. This is the biggest opportunity for you all, guys, so please go and register now. And this coding hunt will be held on 29th of May on Sunday. Timing will be 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So you guys can register now and participate in this amazing coding hunt. So please go and register now, and link available in video description. So please go and register now. And now let's start the video. So guys, here I already written some basic syntax of HTML, and now we will write the main code here. So in the body tag, first of all I will define a section tag, and in this section tag, first of all we will create a unordered list. So for that I will write here ul and define a class name icon list, and now I will define a class with class name icon item, and here I will import social media icon. So here I will write class and write any class name. So here I will write class link and close this, and in this link tag I will import social media icons. So here I will write iClass and fa Instagram. Now close the tag, just save it, and I will show you the output. So here you can see that the Instagram icon is successfully imported, as you guys can see here, and I have already put the link from font about some icons. So I will put this link in video description, or you guys can copy this link from font about some website and easily import social media icons whatever you want. Okay, so let's go. So now I have imported my first social media icons, and like this I will simply import 3 more icons. So I just copied this and paste it below 3 times, and here I just change the social media icon name. So here I will write Facebook, and here I will write YouTube, and at last LinkedIn. So let's check the output. Wow, our all social media icons are successfully imported, and now let's style this using CSS. So in the CSS code, first of all I will define some variables so that I can use them in my code. Okay, so to define variables, here I will write root and Now let's define variables one by one. So here I will write first of all BG background, and here I will write the color code. So DC DD E1. Okay. So now the second variable I will define is the basic color for our social media icons. So basically I will write here gray color, or you can say dark light black color. Now I will define variables for all social media icon colors. So here I will write social icon 1. This one is for Instagram, so here I will write color code for Instagram. And second one is for Facebook, so here I will write color code for Facebook logo. So here I will write 44G05F. Oops, this is for Instagram actually. For Facebook I will write here 3B5 and 999. Okay, great. And the third social media icon is for YouTube. So here I will write color code for YouTube. And at last icon 4, here I will define color code for LinkedIn. So here I will write 0077B5, and that's it. And now let's start the main code. First of all I will give some margin and padding. Just set our page. So here I will write padding and 0. And now I will style our section tag. So here first of all I will give some width and height. So width 100% and height 100 VH, and change the display property to flex. Also align items center and justify content center. And here I will change the background color. So here I will use a variable and write variable name BG, and it's done. Also I will give some Z index. So here I will write, oops, not inherit. Here I will write -10 and just save it. And now I will show you the output. Wow, great. So our social media icons comes in center of the screen. And now let's style our social media icons. So here I will write icon list, and first of all I will give some width here 100%, and now maximum width 50 rem, and here I will give some padding 0 and 20 rem, and again display flex and justify content. Here I will use the property space between, and I just show you the output here. So as you guys can see that display flex property is successfully applied here, and I have used a space between property here. So you can see the output here. So here I will write icon item and list style none. So now it looks more attractive. And now let's style our social media icons. So here I will write icon link, and first of all I will give display property and right here line flex, and let's change the font size here. So I will write 4 rem. Oh wow, now the size is perfect. Now it looks perfect. And here I will use text decoration property and write value none. Wow, now it looks great. And here I will use the color variable, and here I will use color icon. Oh wow, now it looks really very amazing. Okay, so now just change the width and height 6 rem and height also 6 rem, and now I will use transaction property, and here I will write 0.5 as linear, and position relative z index 1, and let's give margin auto. So now it looks amazing. Before we put a background color, I will add some hover effect here. So here I will write icon link hover, and here I just change the color to white, and if I will show you the output, so as you guys can see that when I hover on icons, the main color has changed to white, from black to white. So now we have done our 50 to 60% work, and now we will add background color effect. So first of all, here I will write icon link and add before, and before that here I will write icon link I, and also give some margin here. So here I will write margin and auto. Okay, great. So now here I will first of all write content, and here I will write position and write absolute, top 0, left 0, and bottom 0 also write 0. Now width and height, and here I will write 6 rem and height also 6 rem. Background color I will write 000 and it's black, and now I will change the border radius to 50% and z index -1, and here I will write transform scale 0, no zoom in effect, and here I will write transition 0.3 s, and here I will use cubic Bezier property, and here I will write cubic Bezier and give some values 0.95, 0.32, 0.37 and 1.21. Okay, great. So now let's add background color effects on our social media icons. So here I will write dot icon, and before that here I will do one more thing. I will write here icon link hover before, and here I will give transform property and change its scale to 1, so it looks more attractive. So here I will write scale 1. So whenever I hover on social media icons, the background color the background color scales from 0 to 1. As you guys can see in the starting of the video, it looks really very attractive. So now let's add background colors on our social media icons. So here I will write icon item and child 1 and also a hover, and here I will write simply background color, and here I will write background and use variable. So here I will use my first variable social icon 1. So now just copy it and paste here, and here first of all I will change the end child to 3 and 4, and now change the variable name to icon 2, and in third icon 3 and at last icon 4, and just save it, and let's check the output. So here when I will hover on social media icons, wow, it looks really very amazing, and it's very simple. So now you guys can easily create these type of effects, and you can use this amazing effect in your project or in your website, and it looks really very attractive. So guys, that's all for. I hope you guys like this video. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing valuable content. And now I will consistently upload some amazing content, and share this video with your friends, and I will put the source code link in video description, so also please don't miss that. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.